Hello friends, let's make a desk calendar. You will need colored papers and some glue. So let's get to work. Take one A4 size paper and fold it in half. 2 times. Open it and make folds with scale like this. Do it on both sides. Now stick as shown. It will look like a tent. Take 2 green color strips and fold it in half. They should be slightly longer. Carefully observe how to stick green strips. Let's turn over. Make a design on one strip and cut it. Stick with the help of glue. Take A4 size paper and cut it. Write numbers on small strips. Like this. Write names of months and days. Time for some decoration. Our desk calendar is ready. Now let us put the dates. Today is 25th February and Thursday. Now let's keep the extra things in the pocket which is in behind. Did you like the calendar? Even you can make this calendar at your home and decorate as you wish. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you until next time.